Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
We're doing fine. I'm not very Jackie.
I
feel thirsty.
That's sad to hear. Before we start our lesson, let's start with prayer. Who wants to lead the prayer? Please all stand and let's have a prayer.
Let's do the first.
We're taking this again.
Let's bow our heads. Lord, thank you for this day. Maraming salamat po sa inyong mga malakas na kayo. Pagkabayan niyo ako sa amin na po. Pagkabayan niyo ako sa magpapagawa niyo sa sarili ko.
Amen.
So before the scene, look for any trash.
Yes.
If not, you can take those to the scene. Is there anyone absent today?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Secretary, can you please list all the yellow paper and give it to me after our discussion?
Noted po.
Okay, so let's start our discussion. So first we have learning objectives. The first one is identify and describe three key manipulative skills: drawing, catching, dribbling with accuracy. Next is demonstrate positive attitude and cooperation by actively participating and encouraging peers during activities. And lastly, perform a selected manipulative skill correctly 3 consecutive times under teacher's supervision. So, before we start our discussion, let's start with motivation. For our motivations, we have a game called Guess the Mood. So, within our motivation, you need to guess what the picture is doing or showing. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And when you don't answer, just clap. Okay. So the first one is
Sleeping man.
dribbling is correct. How about next? Edmar?
Rowing.
Is it drawing? Yes, it's drawing. And lastly, lava. Catching is correct. Next, let's move on to our lesson. So based on the skills that showed earlier, what do you think is our lesson for today?
Manipulative skills.
Manipulative skills. Manipulative skills is correct. So what do you mean by manipulative skills? What do you mean by manipulative skills based on our Yes, Ian.
I think it's the manipulative skills ay gumagamit ka ng may tama na yung process.
Yes, that's correct. Manipulative skills refer to skills that require the use of the hands, feet, or other body parts to move or manipulate an object. These skills require the control of the body and the object. This is the foundation of all sport skills according to Hormono 2009. So when we say manipulative skills, we use object. An example is the bat. When we play softball or baseball, we use bat and we will swing it to bat the ball. And who can give me an example of manipulative skills in sports? When we use manipulative skills in sports? Yes, Ian.
Basketball.
Basketball, yes. Who else? Yes, Sheena.
Golf.
Golf. That's correct. Basketball, when we dribble the ball, we use the ball, the object, and we use our hands to control or manipulate Example, this ball. We will throw it and shoot it. That's an example of throwing. Who can give me an example of throwing in sports? Yes, Maxine? Pitching po in pitching, yes, pitching in softball or baseball. Next.
Football po, when the goalkeeper is inactive.
Yes, that's correct. Next is
Throwing the game.
catching. Can you please read catching? Tia?
Catching is the art of receiving and securing an object thrown or tossed, typically using the hands.
That's correct. When catching, it is the act of receiving. So when catching, we can send the ball to our partner like this. This is called catching. This is ball pass, and we can give it to our partner to overhead pass. Thank you, Ian. So, can you give an example where we use catching in sports? Softball. Maybe
Baseball.
baseball.
Basketball.
Basketball. That's correct. So next is dribbling. Can you please read this? We should spread our foot like this, and then bend our crunch position, and then use our fingers that were found to dribble the ball and have control when dribbling like this. And when we walk or run, we should not look for the ball and this. Where the correct way is we need to just look for our teammates. Look for our teammates. So say our friend or our teammates. You get it? So, why do you think these skills are important not only in sport but also in our daily life? Engage us. Yes, Maxine?
Because through these skills we can perform our daily tasks more appropriately and easily.
Yes, that's correct. Through manipulative skills, we can also improve our coordination and confidence. And it is also used in daily life, not only in sport. Like for example, when opening a container, we will manipulate the object through twisting
Ay, nag-video.
Yes, ma'am.
The first group will be
Yes, kami yun.
you need to line this here. Line this.
Para sa'yo mo, gusto mo yung isa. May tumbler na lang. May tumbler na lang.
Banana mo na yun eh. Oh.
So first, you need to dribble the ball. Dribble the ball to the second station. After the dribble, you need to pass it. Next, you will. After you shoot the ball, you need to catch this, throw and do it once. And then the next group, the next member will do that.
Ang hindi naman siya tumabulong sa akin.
Yes.
Pero ano na tayo?
Two tries. Yes. The team who will get that, or all you have 2 minutes per group. Time start now. Start now.
Ano dito? Wala, natalo. Kinain ni 30 seconds. Oo, dalawa na.
Para di ka na shoot yan.
Hirap i-shoot yan. Ano na?
Ay, wala na akong nakain. Baka sila tama ito, magagaling yung mga gusto ko.
Ay, naka si Sheena. Grabe. Ay, so sexy siya.
Pangalan naman kayo mga kaibigan.
Ba, nawala na dito wala. May nawala yung bola.
Babo mo naman.
Dito.
Hot 20 minutes na.
Bakla din ako play ako.
Paano ba pala na naman kami?
Oo, may isip kami.
Ano ba yan? Wala na. Wala na sila.
Tama na kasi tayo.
Hindi yung gateway. Bakit? Look at is the spelling, but you will pronounce it Loki.
Yes? Bakit na? No, right? Ano dyan, dyan? Hindi naman bulto sa sinabi.
Go within your group. Boyfriend, no? Kasi ano?
24.
Quiet, please. Yung ano
Hindi na